Hi, today I will show you how to make a high-quality RCA-to-RCA interconnect cable for your audio setup at home. This guide will also be helpful if you need to connect speaker wire to an RCA plug. For this project I will use one of my current RCA-to-RCA subwoofer cable to make two shorter interconnect RCA cable for my HiFi system to connect a DAC to an amp. However, you can also buy a good audio cable and RCA connector separately to create your custom built RCA cable while following this video. To complete this, as always, you will need to borrow your grandma's soldering kit, a few heatshrink tubing pieces and a multimeter. Once you get the cable, you need also choose RCA plugs. They can range from under $1 to several tens of dollars per pair of RCA connectors. It's important to choose plugs that fit your selected cable. Since we are making a high-quality RCA cable today, I will use these connectors as they have proven to be a good price-to-performance option. Remember that each cable needs two plugs, and for stereo you will need two cables. That's 4 RCA plugs, 2 black and 2 red. Start by sliding the RCA housing onto the cable, as you won't be able to do this after soldering. Once the housing is on, stretch the cable jacket. Measure how much wire you need to prepare and widen the plug clamp slightly. Using a sharp knife, carefully remove the outer jacket of the cable, but be careful not to damage the internal wires. Separate the wires by color. Twist the gold-colored wires into one wire and cut the outer jacket from the central wire. Repeat this process for the other cable. In my case, I need to do this twice, but if you are making a new pair of cables, you will need to do it 4 times. Thin all wires to make soldering easier and improve the solder joint quality. Next, thin the RCA connector contacts. Cut shorter ground wire to avoid a short circuit. Then solder the ground and signal wires and clamp the cable in place. Repeat the same process for the other end of the cable. Cut a small piece of tape and place it between the ground and signal wires to avoid short circuits. Wrap the tape around the cable clamp place well. Then slide the plastic insulation over contacts. Finally, screw the RCA connector tightly. Since my RCA connector pair is made from a single cable, I will use red heatshrink tubing on the one of the RCA connectors to mark the right channel cable. Last, a quality check with a multimeter. Verify that the signal pins are connected and ensure there is no short circuit between the signal and ground contacts. Do this check for both cables. If everything is correct, you've made your first custom length high-quality RCA-to-RCA interconnect cables. If you have any questions while watching this, feel free to write them in the comments below. Good luck with your cable making project!